Hello everyone, and welcome back. A few days ago, Paper Machinery Corporation, better known as PMC, one of the oldest names in the paper cup machinery industry, announced the passing of Donald W. Baumgartner, who led the company for many years. I would like to express my sincere condolences to his family and everyone at PMC. But this news reminded me of something much bigger than the loss of an industry leader. It made me reflect on how the paper cup machinery industry reached where it is today. Wherever you go in the world, most paper cup factories still follow the same basic production principle. The sidewall is formed into a cylinder, the bottom is attached, and the rim is curled to complete the cup. That process has remained almost unchanged for decades. What has evolved is the speed, precision, automation, and reliability of the machines. For nearly a century, PMC has helped drive that progress, and its machines continue to operate in factories around the world. To me, the most important lesson is this: building a machine is possible, but building a manufacturing culture takes decades. Technical drawings can be copied and mechanical parts reproduced, but decades of engineering knowledge, customer trust, service experience, and manufacturing expertise cannot. In industrial manufacturing, the greatest value often lies not inside the machine itself, but in the knowledge behind it. Today, successful paper cup machinery manufacturers can be found in China, Europe, Turkey, and many other regions. Competition drives innovation, but very few companies remain successful for nearly a century. Developing technology is not only about introducing new machines. It is about preserving knowledge, improving it continuously, and passing it on to future generations. One part of PMC's announcement particularly caught my attention. The company highlighted not only Donald W. Baumgartner's achievements but also the management transition and long-term planning that secured its future years ago. To me, this is the essence of true institutional strength. A company's future should never depend on one individual. Knowledge must become part of the system so that engineering culture, manufacturing discipline, and corporate values continue from one generation to the next. This lesson extends far beyond PMC. Every long-standing paper cup machinery manufacturer shares similar characteristics. Customers are not simply buying a machine. They are investing in engineering experience, technical support, service infrastructure, and a manufacturing culture built over many years. The true value of a machine is measured not only by its performance on the first day, but by its reliability for years to come. The companies we compete with have also helped shape the industry we work in today. Many production standards, engineering solutions, and manufacturing technologies exist because these companies invested decades in research, development, and continuous improvement. Remembering the people and organizations that contributed to this progress is more than respect for the past. It is also respect for our profession and for its future. Once again, I extend my deepest condolences to the family of Donald W. Baumgartner and everyone at PMC. His greatest legacy is not simply the machines his company produced, but a culture of engineering, knowledge, and long-term vision that has continued to grow for nearly a century. I wish you successful production and good business. See you in the next video.